Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, iterate with JavaScript, do while loop. The next type of loop you will learn is called a do while loop. It is called do while loop because it will first do one pass of the code inside the loop no matter what and then continue to run the loop while the specified condition evaluates to true. So in this case we have an array, empty array, which is saved inside variable our array, and we have I with a value of 0. Here we first do means this code will run first, and later the condition will check with while. So the example above behaves similar to the other types of loops, and the resulting array will look like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. However, what makes the do while loop different from the other loops is how it behaves when the condition fails on the first check. Let's see this in action. Here is a regular while loop that will run the code in loop as long as I is less than 5. So we can see a regular while loop, and in this example we initialize the value of our array to an empty array here, and the value of I to 5 here. When we execute the while loop, the condition evaluates to false because I is not less than 5. When this condition is checked, this condition is false. So we do not execute the code inside the loop. The result is our array. The result is that our array, this remains empty, will end up with no values added to it, and it will still look like empty array when all of our code in the example above has completed running. Now take a look at do while loop. Here same similar things. Our array is empty array and I in value is 5. But since do while is used, this code will run. Later it will check for condition, and even when it is false, this array will already contain the 5 value here. In this case, we initialize the value of I to 5 just like we did with the while loop. When we get to the next line, there is no condition to evaluate. So we go to the code inside the curly braces and execute it. We will add a single element to the array and then increment I before we get to the condition check. When we finally evaluate the condition I is less than 5 on the last line, we will see that I is now 6, which fails the conditional check. So we exit the loop and are done. At the end of the above example, the value of our array is 5 within the bracket. Essentially, a do while loop ensures that the code inside the loop will run at least once. Let's try getting a do while loop to work by pushing values to an array. Let's see the task for this challenge. Change the while loop in the code to a do while loop so that the loop will push only the number 10 to my array and I will be equal to 11 when your code has finished running. So we have to change this line of code. So do, oh, let's remove while completely from here, and first it will do, and in this case while I is less than 10, it should run in that condition. So it's already I equal to 10. So the loop will push only the number 10 to my array, and I will be equal to 11 when your code has finished running. So I plus plus means it will be 11, and since while is I is less than 5, 10, or I is less than 5, whatever we want to do, because of that it should work. Run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.